Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Translator app. After tapping on the icon, you instantly get into the app and you'll see the four main features. A microphone, which allows you to translate between two speakers. A keyboard that allows you to paste and type in text and translate them. A camera that allows you to scan whole pages or forms of text. And a conversation button which allows you to involve many speakers of different languages at the same time. And I'll demonstrate each of the features one by one. Let's start with the mic first. All you have to do is to select your languages from tens available on the app. So let's give it a go. All you have to do is tap on the mic, which will turn green, and see what it does. Cześć, nazywam się Aleksandra I mówię po polsku.
Hi, my name is Alexander and I speak Polish.
Then with the auto mode, there is no need for you to push the microphone button when it's your turn to talk. You just select the languages and turn on the mic to start the conversation. The app will automatically pick up the languages that you are using. So let's give it a go. For this, I've selected German and English, so let's see what it does. Hallo, wie heißt du?
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Alexandra.
Mein Name ist Alexandra.
In the split mode, you will be able to switch between languages if you are having a conversation rather than giving instructions. It's quite handy. So let's give it a go. What languages do you speak?
W jakich językach mówisz?
Mówię po polsku I po niemiecku.
I speak Polish and German.
So that was the microphone feature. Let's have a look at the keyboard. It allows you to type in texts and play them
Jak się dzisiaj masz?
your pupils. You can also paste pre-selected text, being mindful that it only allows you to paste a certain length of a text. So you might need to split your text into shorter paragraphs for the app to be able to process it. Next really cool feature is the camera feature, which allows you to scan whole pages, forms, etc. and instantly translate them. So here is a form. Remember to hold your iPad quite still and tap on the camera. And the app does the magic for you. It will allow you to scan text from stories or textbooks. And you can either airdrop them, send them as an email attachment, assign them to a certain pupil. There are a lot of things you can do with the translated text. You can also pin them and they will feature in your history, and I will show it to you in a second. Last but not least, the conversation feature, and I quite like it because it allows multiple participants of different languages to converse at the same time. So all you have to do as the host of the conversation is to start it, and it will ask you for your name and for the language you will be using. And I have selected English, but the pupils who will be accessing your conversation will obviously select languages that they use as their first language. And what it does, it generates a QR code which allows your pupils to access the conversation that you have set up. All they have to do is to scan the QR code using their devices and the Microsoft Translator app. I have just scanned the QR code using my own device and I'm ready to enter the conversation, and I will show you the interaction between the two devices. So I've got two devices here. One is the host device and I've joined pretending to be a pupil. They have been set up to two different languages, but let's give it a go. How old are you? Ile masz lat? And I can type back. I'm 10 years old. Mam 10 lat. There are 3 more features on this app. You might have noticed the clock before, and we've pinned some of the text, and this is where they are going to be. This is the history. You've got recent and you've got pinned. So the text we looked at, they are still here. Again, you can airdrop them, you can print them, you can translate them, you can add them to shared albums. There are a lot of things you can do with them. Then you've got the little book, which is just a phrase book. And again, I quite like it because it acts like a mini key phrase book. What you can do with it is select your languages. So you can go from Bulgarian to English or English to Bulgarian. And in each section, you can click on
I would like to order.
I would like to order.
I
And
would like to order.
By double clicking on the mic, it slows the speech down. Single tap,
I would like to order.
I would like to order.
double tap.
I would like to order.
And then settings, where you can select your preferences. I hope this was an informative and a help. And then settings, where you can select your preferences. One feature that you will find in your setting is something called offline languages. When you tap on it, you will see all of those languages that you can add to your device by downloading them from the iCloud. This will allow you to access those languages with no access to Wi-Fi, which is quite handy. I hope this was an informative and a helpful tutorial, and good luck and enjoy using the app.